Yes, sir.
People are loving this how to make a VIP video.
Oh, well then it's time for part 2.
What's part 2?
I'm gonna show you, but before I do, click on those notifications. Come on.
All right, everybody, how to make a VIP part 2.
I'm gonna show you how to make 2 different cocktails. Let's first get a refresher on how to prepare the VIP. 6 oranges, 5 pineapples, 3 mangoes. So you're gonna cut all these up. Be careful, don't wanna cut yourself. So we're all done cutting this up. Now we're gonna lay 2 layers of pineapple down at the bottom first. Put them around, create like a floor. Okay, that's good stuff. Now take the orange, put the orange on top. Okay, now you're gonna repeat this. So you went pineapple, you went orange, 1 layer, now go pineapple back on top. All right, put the mango in the middle. This goes in on top. Now the final step is we're gonna pour in our alcohol. We're using 2 kinds of vodka, regular vodka and a flavored vodka. In this case, we're gonna use some orange vodka and some regular vodka. And we're gonna usually go 3 to 1. 3 to 1.
That's what bartenders do.
Oh yeah. So now it's very important we fill this up with the alcohol above the fruit, right? Because the fruit will stay preserved because the alcohol level's higher. All right, gonna let this sit for 2 to 3 weeks. We're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to make 2 really great summer cocktails.
All right, it's been about 2 weeks. We let this thing sit. Let's see what we have.
Make 2 different cocktails. One's a martini, it's gonna be up. The other's gonna be on the rocks. It's gonna be a little splash of soda with a little garnish of orange.
Drink number 1 is gonna be the VIP martini.
Yep, chill the glass. All right, now we're taking some of the 2-week-old vodka infused pineapple, put it into our shaker. Very important, shake the out of this. Okay, I think that's enough. Get rid of that in there. Just don't worry about it, it's fine. Watch this. I could smell this.
Oh, there it is. Yep.
Smell this from here. Take a little orange around the rim.
Yep, that's a winner.
What's it taste like?
The pineapple citrus masks the vodka taste so well, almost
Dangerous.
to the point. That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Wow, I read your mind.
Delicious.
Delicious. Double D. Dangerous and delicious.
Drink number 2 is gonna be the
VIP
VIP
splash.
splash.
Why you say that? That's corny. That's what I was gonna say. Same way. Get some of your good VIP juice, right, out of the jar here. Put it in, a couple ounces. I'm gonna take a little pineapple juice. See that? Okay, take my cubes, put them in my glass there. Why don't you shake this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Shake it, shake it.
How's this?
Right, good. Okay, good. Yeah, you did Woo talk. Very nice.
That was sick, right?
That was Woo talk. All right, good, good, good. Here comes the splash of soda, right? Last finish, little orange, right here. Rim it. Seriously though, what do you want?
Okay, we could have been, okay.
You can't edit that out. Jump in here.
Oh,
That's refreshing, right? You agree?
that's beach time, baby.
Beach time, babe. I was gonna say beach time, babe.
No, you weren't.
That's BTB.
Cheers.
BTB.
All right, everybody, that's it for today. VIP made 2 different ways. Comment below which one your favorite one is. That's it. Cheers.
Tell them about linking and subscribing and clicking.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I was thinking about drinking this.